We will tell you the 18 rules of money that will make you rich. Watch this video till the end and don't skip any part from between if you really want to become rich. Now let's start. Number 1. Steer clear of credit card debt at all costs. It is essential to avoid carrying a balance on your credit card as a foundational principle of managing your finances effectively. The borrowing rates associated with credit cards are significantly elevated, and incurring these rates can swiftly diminish your net worth over time. Carrying credit card debt for an extended duration indicates that you may not be in a position to allocate your funds into the markets just yet. Number 2. Establish a strong credit profile. The most significant financial burden you may encounter throughout your life is likely to be the interest accrued on your mortgage, auto loans, and student loans. A strong credit score can significantly reduce your borrowing costs, potentially saving you tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars over time. Now, subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more amazing financial tips and secrets. Number 3. Income should not be confused with savings. Understanding the distinction between earning a high income and achieving true wealth is crucial. Your net worth holds greater significance than your income alone. Generating a substantial income does not inherently equate to wealth, just as earning a modest income does not necessarily imply financial hardship. The key factor to focus on is the portion of your income that you allocate for savings, rather than the amount you expend. Number 4. Prioritize savings. Prioritizing your own financial well-being is straightforward guidance, yet many individuals overlook this essential practice. One of the most prudent financial choices you can make is to establish a high savings rate, as it provides you with a significant buffer for life's uncertainties. While external factors such as interest rates, stock market fluctuations, and economic downturns are beyond your influence, you do have the ability to manage your savings rate effectively. Number 5. Maintain a lifestyle that is more frugal than your income allows. Maintaining a lifestyle that aligns with your financial capacity is essential to avoid the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck and to foster genuine wealth accumulation. To achieve financial success, it is essential to maintain a lifestyle that is within your means while consistently allocating a portion of your earnings towards future savings. Number 6. Examine your monthly spending habits. It is essential to analyze your spending habits to achieve mastery over your financial situation. The objective is to allocate your resources towards what truly matters to you while minimizing expenditures in other areas. By prioritizing your savings, you can alleviate the stress of strict budgeting and focus on spending what remains on the aspects of life that are most important to you. Number 7. Streamline all processes through automation. Automating your financial life is an effective strategy to enhance your savings, minimize late fees, and simplify your overall financial management. Establishing clear objectives from the outset allows you to conserve both time and energy in managing your financial matters. Number 8. Make informed decisions on significant expenditures. While it's important to avoid being overly critical, I often find myself contemplating the financial decisions of those driving $50,000 to $70,000 SUVs or living in large McMansions. My immediate thought tends to be about their retirement savings and overall financial preparedness. While discussions about small expenses like lattes can be engaging, the key to maintaining financial stability lies in focusing on significant investments, namely housing and transportation. Taking on too much with these two purchases can be detrimental, as they involve fixed costs and often carry additional expenses that many individuals may not fully understand. Number 9. Enhance your liquid savings account. It's important to ensure your monthly budget, reflects the occasional but foreseeable expenses that may arise from time to time. Weddings, vacations, car repairs, and health emergencies often arise unexpectedly. However, by allocating a portion of your income each month, you can create a financial cushion that will help you manage these unforeseen expenses more effectively when they occur. Number 10. Ensure that your insurable needs are adequately addressed. My friend and colleague named Joseph often emphasizes that individuals purchase insurance to mitigate the financial consequences that could arise for their business or family in the event of death or disability. The objective is to quantify that impact in monetary terms and, if feasible, to secure protection against it. Number 11. Ensure you take full advantage of the match. It's quite common to encounter individuals who are not maximizing their contributions to their 401k plans to take full advantage of the employer match. That's akin to forgoing a segment of your earnings with each pay period. It is essential to ensure that you save at least enough to take full advantage of any matching contributions available, as this prevents you from missing out on valuable financial benefits. Number 12. Consider increasing your savings incrementally each year. To enhance your long-term savings, consider adjusting your savings rate upward with each salary increase. This approach ensures that you won't feel the impact of having additional income, allowing you to build your savings more effectively. Starting to set money aside as early as possible can help ensure that you don't find yourself in a position where those funds never reach your checking account for spending. Number 13. Select your social circle, community, and partner with careful consideration. Engaging in a constant comparison with friends or neighbors who overspend can lead to a cycle of financial strain with no real benefits. Seek companions who share your financial perspectives, as this alignment can significantly reduce stress, envy, and unnecessary expenditures in your life. Number 14. Engage in discussions about finances more frequently. It seems that within just a few minutes of any discussion, politics inevitably comes up, yet the topic of money remains surprisingly off-limits for many. Engage in a discussion with your spouse regarding financial matters. Seek assistance from others. It's important to address financial issues promptly to prevent them from escalating. Financial considerations influence nearly every facet of your life in various ways. This matter deserves careful attention and should not be overlooked or dismissed. Number 15. Avoid acquiring material possessions. Acquiring material possessions may not lead to increased happiness or financial prosperity, as genuine wealth is reflected in the savings achieved by avoiding unnecessary expenditures. Investing in experiences provides significant value, and dedicating time to those you cherish is among the most rewarding allocations of your resources. Number 16. Consider reading a book, or perhaps even 10. Numerous resources on personal finance are available in the market. This knowledge is essential and should be included in the curriculum of every high school and college, yet it remains overlooked. Your financial decisions are ultimately your responsibility, and no one will prioritize them as much as you will. Allocate a portion of your resources, financial, temporal, and personal, towards your own development. This represents an exceptional opportunity for your financial portfolio. Number 17. Understand your current position. It is essential for individuals to have a rough estimate of their actual net worth. This involves calculating the total value of your assets and deducting any outstanding liabilities. By establishing general expectations regarding savings rates, market returns, and portfolio growth, you can create clear benchmarks to guide your financial planning moving forward. Number 18. Taxes are important, Maximize your opportunities for tax benefits and ensure you have a clear understanding of your individual tax circumstances. Maximizing your potential in this area involves utilizing all available tax-deferred savings options and minimizing trading activity in taxable accounts to reduce exposure to higher short-term capital gains taxes. Now, watch the video appearing on the right side to know the best assets you could invest your money on to get rich. Also, subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest financial tips and secrets to get rich.